told you you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my
What's up,
trauma.
you guys? Welcome to my channel. It's Grifa Beauty, and for today's video, I got another wig review. This unit was sent to me by Sensationnel, and it is in the Cloud 9 What Lace collection, and her name is Solana. And they sent her to me in the color Flamboyage Copper. My bad. Long, beautiful, loose curl unit. It's very beautifully layered. This copper is like throughout the hair. If you guys can notice it. It starts lightly and then it gets chunky at the bottom. And sorry, you guys are gonna start hearing my kids a lot more in my videos because I started working back at the store. So my parents own these story time. My parents own like these grocery stores. But my mom ended up getting sick a little while ago, like a month or two ago. So I've been going in full time. And what I used to do when they were in school, and like now that like I'm working while they're in school, like I have to come home and just do it when I have time. So you guys will be hearing a lot more of my kids, and yeah, you guys, but nevertheless, like I'm so blessed that my mom's okay. She's doing way better, and I'm getting like I'm doubling my incomes because I'm having like 2 jobs now. So it's all a blessing. It's just, you know, it's all through like the time management part of it, the first week or 2 until you get adjusted, and it is what it is. So for us here at this channel, it will be like just hearing my kids a little bit more in the background. I try to keep them down. Like right now they're outside, but they're in it now. You know how kids play. But yeah, you guys, I just wanted you guys to know a little bit about, you know, me and what's going on. So back to this wig. This wig is beautiful, and the best part of it, it is a 13x6 lace front wig. So that means you have the whole top. That means you have like this whole section right here to part. You could do updos or like little, you could even braid it, I guess, like the model right here. Now I don't know how to braid like that. Like I could do like a big chunky braid, but nothing detailed like that. But I will try to do some baby hairs and like style her a little bit in the video. So if you guys are interested in that, then go ahead and keep watching. If not, just fast forward or pick the chapter that you choose to watch. And again, guys, don't forget to hit the like button because that really does be helping a lot. You're helping other viewers see my videos, and you're helping me by growing my channel. So yeah, please hit the like button, and thank you so much, sis.
I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my, all good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night. Now all of my calls go to voicemail. I block you so I don't raise hell. Should've talked through it in detail. Our separate ways ain't gon' end well, no. But when we get back, it's like, oh my, all bad all day, but the night I get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on today, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe? I'd rather be on that wave, tryna control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we could share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could do it all night. We could go all night, all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead.
calm, cool, collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. No, you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go all night. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
So you guys, this is gonna be my final look for Miss Solana. And oh wait, no, I didn't put the damn concealer, so I don't think she needs it because this looks really good. But let me just make it look extra good. And excuse my voice again, I decided to blaze before I did this. Ooh, okay. Let me take a sip of this because I'm sounding really dry. You guys, can you keep it down? I'm doing a video right now. Give me 5 minutes. Okay, you guys, so this is my final look for Miss Solana again, and I love it. Like, this kind of reminds me of my natural hair because I did put some like golden highlights in my natural hair, but my hair is not this silky. My hair is not this length. My hair is not cut into these beautiful layers. It doesn't have these flawless little cute curls in the bottom, loose curls. And also, I'm not sure if this is a human hair blend. No, but it's just as it's like premium fiber, so it's like a real good synthetic. And she has, it's like very thin in my opinion. It feels thicker up here where most of the hair is, and then since the layers do thin out at the ends, it does feel a little thinner. Let me just, it is a little tangly because it's so long, but it's like only like this bottom part that is giving me a problem. But yeah, you guys, she is so cute. And again, I didn't glue her down. It was just the baby hairs and like just trying to cover these side pieces, because sometimes when you don't glue it down, these flaps. So but I usually leave like some hair like this so it looks, you know, so that's an option if like you gals don't wanna do like the whole glue down method. This is like a cute, easy, flawless look. Flawless minus this part. Like, this might be an issue, but if it's just like for pictures, you could like get away with just like leaving some strands there or just gluing a lot of baby hairs right here. That's what I do. But yeah, this unit is so cute. Again, it is a 13x6, so you could basically part her anywhere. I didn't do no powder to the lace, so if you guys saw the install, I did go in and just hand plucked a little bit of the hairs up here to create a more natural hairline. This is so cute. I will leave some links to her in the description box so you guys are interested in her. Soft. It does tangle a little bit and it's big head friendly. The shedding, I don't think I could judge on that. They all shed a little bit. I don't think this one's like a crazy one. I did go ahead and like started pulling on her a little bit too much, so any shedding that I might be getting, it might be from me just trying to pluck her. But besides that, you guys, this is a cute one. My hands, I'm so sorry. This probably gonna be low quality, but I had to get it out there. High or not. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, you guys. Again, this unit does, I'm not sure how much it goes for. I'll put it somewhere here in the screen. And again, it's a 13x6. It looks like human hair in my opinion. If it looks shiny, it's because I have this bright light. It's getting dark out here. It's like 6 o'clock. But I'm not gonna keep rambling again. I already said bye like 5 times. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, bye.